Ever wish you had a switch exactly where you need it? That's easy to get with Caséta by Lutron and its wireless smart remote. Let's say you have lights in your stairway and want to control them from the top and the bottom. Simply put the smart remote where you want control and pair it with a wired Caséta switch. Just think about the possibilities. It can be mounted on almost any surface without new holes or wires. Has an incredible 10-year typical battery life, and you can put it almost anywhere. Plus, one wireless smart remote can control multiple dimmers for even easier lighting control. It also means anyone, even visitors, can control the lights, the fans, the shades, even the tunes. All with a single touch. No apps, passwords, or Wi-Fi required. And when the day winds down, you can get all of the lights right from the comfort of your bed. Caséta by Lutron, the smarter choice for smart lighting.